Recently, I've been seeing a lot more cases where small businesses are getting sued for an insane amount of money.
Nicole Harness created this Luke Combs-themed tumbler and says she sold 18 of them online. The sales landed her with a $250,000 federal court judgment.
Take, for example, the case that rocked the Etsy community last year. A small Etsy store owner got slapped with a $250,000 lawsuit for selling tumblers featuring trademark designs from celebrities like Luke Combs, a country singer. That's a huge mistake. She only made about $300 from those sales, yet she faced a financial nightmare. Luckily, Luke Combs himself heard about it and helped her out. But not everyone gets that lucky. If she had been running her business under her personal legal name instead of an LLC, they could have gone after her assets, her car, her home, her savings. And this isn't an isolated case. A recent study by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce shows that small businesses lost $160 billion each year in lawsuits. This is huge, especially since small businesses only make up about 20% of all business income here in the U.S. It gets worse for those making under $1 million since they face 7 times more risk than bigger companies. Many of the small business owners aren't protected properly, which means that they could lose their personal savings if they get sued. If you're running a business, whether it is an Etsy store, a cleaning company, a digital agency, or even a YouTube channel, there is one move that could literally save your financial future, and that is setting up an LLC. Now, I know LLC sounds like one of those boring legal terms you can push off for later, but what if I told you that not having one could cost you everything? Your house, your car, your savings, all gone. Because trust me, lawsuits here in the US are no joke, and when they hit hard. Today we're breaking down why you need an LLC for your business and how an LLC actually protects you, but only if you do it right. After that, I will set up one of my LLC and walk you through step by step on how to do so. And shout out to today's sponsors, Taylor Brands, for making it super easy to get your LLC up and running within minutes. So what exactly does an LLC do? Let's break it down. Number one, it creates a legal shield. An LLC, limited liability company, acts like a legal shield around your business. If someone sues your business, they can only claim business assets and not your personal bank account, your house, or your car. These structures create a clear separation between your personal and business assets. But there are limitations to this protection, which I'm gonna explain shortly. Number two, it helps you look more professional and credible. Having an LLC signals that you are running a legitimate, established business operation. When you approach bigger brands for partnership, they will see you as a serious contender rather than just another individual entrepreneur. If you need to open a business bank account or secure financing, financial institutions often view LLC more favorably. If you want to build business credit or apply for a loan, an LLC structure demonstrates commitment and reliability. Plus, that LLC suffix after your business name instantly communicates to potential clients and partners that you've taken the necessary steps to formalize your business operations and protect your own interests. This enhanced credibility can open doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain closed to sole proprietors. Number three, tax benefits. LLCs provide flexible tax options that let business owners optimize their tax situation. You can keep it simple with default pass-through taxation, where business income goes straight to your personal tax return. Or you can choose to be taxed as an S corporation, a move that could save you thousands each year on self-employment taxes by letting you split your income between salary and distributions. This flexibility makes LLCs great for growing businesses that need adaptable tax strategies. Most CPAs would suggest switching to an S Corp status once your business reaches a certain amount of income level. Number four, peace of mind. The biggest benefit, you sleep better at night, because if anything goes south, your personal assets are safe as long as you're running things the right way. Which brings me to the next part, piercing the corporate veil. Now, before you think that an LLC is some sort of magic force field that makes you untouchable, let's talk about a little something called piercing the corporate veil. This happens when a court says, nah, you don't really treat this as a business, so we're gonna hold you personally personally responsible. Here's how you can accidentally mess up your LLC protection. Number 1, mixing personal and business money. If you're buying groceries and paying rent from the same bank account you use for your business, that's a huge red flag. You need a separate business bank account, and you cannot treat your business money like your personal piggy bank. Number 2, not keeping business records. An LLC isn't just a piece of paper, it is a structure. If you don't keep proper records, contracts, and meeting notes, yes, even if you are a one-person business, a court can say your LLC is just a shell and hold you personally liable. Number 3, doing something fraudulent. If you mislead customers, lie about your products, and engage in shady business, your LLC won't save you. Basically, the LLC is your shield, but only if you use it properly. Don't cut corners and you will be good to go. How to set up an LLC the easy way. Now, if you're thinking, okay, I need an LLC, but this sounds complicated. That's where Taylor Brands comes in. Taylor Brands make setting up an LLC ridiculously easy. They handle everything for you, filing the paperwork, making sure you're compliant with your state laws, and even helping you set up your business bank account and branding. If you've been procrastinating on setting up your LLC, this is your sign. I'm going to walk you through how to use Taylor Brands to set up your LLC. Now grab my affiliate link in the description of this video and follow along. Grab my affiliate link in the description of this video and it should take you to this landing page. The first thing we're gonna do is to choose our LLC state. For me, it's gonna be Massachusetts. Now we're gonna come up with a business name. You can use ChatGPT to come up with some business name idea, or you can go to your state corporation website to search for different name and see if they are available. If the name is available, you should be able to see this. Next, we're gonna create a new account, and once we sign in, we should be able to see this dashboard. I'm gonna go to LLC, get started, choose my state, choose my LLC name. The next thing that we need to choose is what stage our business is in. For me, it's gonna be already in business, but you can also say about to launch or taking your first step. For industry, I'm gonna say marketing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be hiring any employees in the upcoming year, so I'm just gonna say no, not sure. For annual income for your business, right now I do not know yet. So for your LLC operation, you should put your zip code. For mine, it's gonna be just online. So right now for my business, I need the LLC, I need insurance, and I also need logo. I haven't done anything for the LLC right now, so let's skip everything for now. Next thing we're gonna do is to put your first name, your last name, and a phone number. There's a very good chance that a customer service representative from Taylor Brands are gonna give you a call to help you walk through the entire process and answer any question that you may have. In the next section is gonna be a survey about all the different things that you need for your LLC, if you want it or not. And based on your response, the system is gonna recommend the different plans for you that might include what you need already. So the first question in this survey is if you need an EIN. Taylor Brands does everything for you. If you want them to help you get the EIN, you can pay an extra $99 for that, or you can just handle it yourself. So most of the states require a registered agent. This person must be available during business hour in order to handle all the formal document for your business. I recommend using Taylor Brands for this. You can also appoint yourself as your registered agent, but I do not recommend this. For all of my LLC, I have a registered agent. The next question is about LLC compliance. Every single year, you need to file an annual report in order to maintain good standing for your LLC. I recommend having Taylor Brands handle this for you because it could be very complicated. Taylor Brands also have the option to help you with your branding. You can get the domain, you can create the logo, have a website, and everything in one single place. So I'm gonna get the toolkit. I also want expedited filing, and I want them to provide the operating agreement for me. I also want a physical copy of all the important LLC filing document, and I want them to notify me of the status of the LLC. Now, based on the survey information, they are going to recommend which plan is better for you. So I'm gonna select their elite plan because I want the LLC formation, the legal compliance, basically the operating agreement included in it. It will have the 2 days expedited processing. It will have the domain, the website, and the business coaching plan. And you can see all the detail over here for the elite plan. LLC in Massachusetts has one of the highest costs, which is $520. If you live in another state, chances are your state filing fee is gonna be way less. All right, so now I'm gonna hit continue to payment. You can pay with PayPal or pay with a credit card. Payment received, get started. Now that you have paid, it's gonna ask you for the actual information for your LLC. I'm gonna finalize my LLC name. You can even choose an alternative name in case that the LLC name is not available. Now we're gonna select the primary business activity. You can scroll through all the options over here. Since I don't see anything for content creation, I'm gonna select other, and I'm gonna describe what this is for. You can go over some of the industry keywords and see if there's anything matching what your business industry is. I'm gonna say content creation, which is not available. I don't have any employee right now. I'm gonna select next. Now, I recommend getting a virtual business address for your business because that way you don't have to reveal your home address. Now, we have to choose who managed your business. I'm gonna say all owners because there's only one owner, it's sole proprietor. Now, who should your registered agent send official document to? I'm gonna put myself. Will you be receiving customer in a physical location? In my case, it's no because it's an online business. And then for your business code, you have to choose one that is closest to your industry. This could very much affect your potential to get a business loan. Different industry have different risk level. So if you choose the wrong code for your business, it might make it more difficult to get business loans. So definitely research a bit more about your business industry in order to choose the correct code. So I'm gonna select motion pictures and video production for mine. Enter your information for the LLC applicant. Now enter an address where you want the LLC formation kit to be sent to. Now you have a chance to review everything for your LLC application before submitting it. You can even call Taylor Branch customer service if you have any kind of question to make sure that everything is correctly filed. Now on your dashboard, Taylor Branch would provide update and tell you what kind of document you're missing. If you know how to do them and get them, that's fine. You can do it yourself. But if not, I definitely recommend Taylor Branch to do everything for you. The price is definitely gonna be higher, but it gives you peace of mind to make sure that you're not missing anything. I hope this helped you understand why having an LLC is a must if you're serious about running a business. Drop a comment below if you have any question or have had close calls with legal issues. I would love to hear your stories. As always, the information shared here is for educational purposes only. Since I'm not a professional CPA or attorney, I recommend consulting with these professionals to get proper advice for your situation. If you got any value from this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Stay smart, stay protected. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.